Welcome, Ashley. Who are you?
I am Ashley Shinice Ellis.
Mm, Who are you?
I am the daughter of baby George Ellis Sr. and Lizzie Mae Jenkins, and the granddaughter of Bessie Beatrice and Hattie Madden.
Mm, Who are you?
I am the life partner and wife to Quandisha. I am baby sister to Bailey and Pharaoh. I'm a sister and friend and mentor to many.
Mm, Who are you?
I am a warrior. I am love in action. I am a peacekeeper and a conduit of healing
Mm,
for healing.
Who are you?
I am a black girl, a queer black girl from the west side of Chicago, um, who learned that if you gave her a place to stand, she could conquer the world.
Mm, Who are you?
I am I am the prayers personified of my ancestors. I am the dreams of my mother and my community. I am I am hope.
And finally, who are you?
I am me. I am the promise that God created me to be in the world.
Mm, Thank you for introducing yourself. You took that to a level that nobody else has gone to yet. Like even one of your answers are like boom, 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 boom. That's it. But I hope we touch on a lot of that in our conversation today. I'm curious how that felt sharing.
Um, at this particular point in my life, it felt really good because in full transparency, I called you a couple of weeks ago, and that was what was on my heart, and you were asking me these questions, and it was, and you challenged me in them too, lovingly challenged me in them, and so to stand here and breathe my way through that, and to powerfully believe it, um, it made me it made me feel like, yeah, I am that, I am all those things. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, the reason that we open the podcast with that is so folks get to introduce themselves beyond job titles,
Mm-hmm.
right? Because that's so often where we like categorize people. But it's also really a powerful exercise to think about for yourself. You know, who are you? Who do you believe yourself to be? Not who the world tells you you are.
Yeah.
Like who really are you? So thank you for your transparency, your vulnerability. How
And
are you? Oh,
I was
good.
I was gonna add to that too, because I just thought about it, like knowing who I am in these moments, especially, like the world tries to create this narrative for who I need to be. And I think people have this idea about who I need to be. And if I don't know that for myself, then I will just be caught up in their imaginations of me, and be crushed by it because I'm not living in my full self. And also remembering and being reminded about who I am allows me to stand in my power around things that I doubt sometimes that I have the ability to do. And when I remind myself of who I am and whose I am and where I come from, then I'm reminded that I'm enough, right? That I am able, and that when I walk in the faith of those who come before me and the prayers of those who come before me, um, then like I can do whatever it is that I want to do and whatever it is that I need to do. And so that has been the practice of naming myself and knowing who I am has really strengthened me in that way, and in a time where I was doubting myself a lot.